Hi, my name is Franklin. I am teacher here at the Illinois. So today let's talk about future using present continuous. So that's so simple. For this time, we have to use those expressions. Just I have three expressions: tomorrow, tonight, and next week. As you know, here you have an example. She is reading a book. So these sentences is done in using, present continuous. So to change into the future, only you put this phrase, tomorrow, tonight, and next week, to at the end of the sentence. For example, she is reading a book tomorrow. This sentence shows future. She is reading a book tonight, is showing future too. If you say she is reading a book next week, you continue talking about the future. Yep. So if you want to establish difference with be going to, I'm gonna write down an example. She is going to read a book. Okay, let's check in the differences. She's reading a book, present continue. But if you say she's reading a book tomorrow, and in here you have the same example, she's going to read a book. In this part, it's not necessary to put those time expressions. Only you say she's going to read a book, and you are talking that is going to be in the future. But in here you are talking about present continue, and you put the phrase, and you do future. Yes, so what's the difference? The difference is in here you use going to, yeah? This is future, and in here is continue, you put a time expression and you form the future. Okay, let's continue, yes? So in here we have present continue for future, future using be going to, and now let's talk about will, is future too. I'm gonna write down the example. She will read a book. Yeah? So please, let's check those examples. She's reading a book. She's going to read a book. And she will read a book. The three ones are future. Yes? But don't forget, when you use present continue, it's necessary that you use the time expressions like tomorrow, tonight, and next week. And maybe you can find another examples of time expression, yes? But please, because time we are talking, so use those phrases and you form the future. In this part, you say she's going to read a book. That's future. If you want, you can use the time expressions too. No problem. And when you use will, this will means future too. She will read a book is for future. Okay, here we have other personal pronoun, other example, but with the same. Present continue, future with be going to, and future with will. So please don't remember, if you are talking about you use are, yes? In the three sentences, you use you put are. You, and in this part is not necessary because this is the future, yes? So let's check the examples. You are drinking tomorrow, yeah? It's future, but with present continuous. If you say you are going to drink, you are talking about future with be going to. And if you say you will drink, it's future, but using will. Okay, here we have another example, but using the personal pronoun I. As you know, I is going to be with am. I am, yeah? But then in here it's not necessary because you put the future word. Here we have the other example. I am teaching tomorrow. I am going to teach, you could say tonight, tomorrow, or the next week. And this part, I will teach tomorrow, tonight, or the next week. Yeah, so in here you have the other example, but with other personal pronoun. Yes, don't forget that. The first one is present continue. If you put the phrase, you form continue. This one is future. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can put the time expression. And in this one, I will teach, no problem, you could use the next words or the time expressions you have there. Yes, you could do I am, you could do the contraction. I am teaching. I am going. You can say I am going to teach. This one, I will, you could say I'll. Yes, those are the contractions you can use to make sentences using future. Okay guys, that's all for today. This is the class about future.